Hello all. In this video, we will explain you on how to add tags to questions as part of the bulk upload. This will help you to select the questions quickly while adding them to the assessment. First, let's see on how to create tags for questions. Go to Settings, Tags, click on Add. Here, give the tag name. Choose the entity as question. Save. Now, go to Products, Assessments, go to Question Bank, click on Bulk Import, select the file here, click on Upload. Here, you will be adding the tag. Add the tag. Click on Add here. Save. It will be taking some time for importing the data. Please revisit after some time. Close. Now, if you see, the questions are being assigned with the tags. Now, let's see on how you can use these tags while adding the questions into the assessment. Go to Assessment, click on Create Assessment, start building it. Click on Save. Now here select Pick Question. Here you can choose the tag. Now you can select all of them and add it. This is how you can create a tag to the question and add it to the assessment. Thank you.